It is no secret that I'm a huge fan of drawer liner. The reason why is it is an easy organizing hack to keep everything in place within your drawers. We are going to be lining your kitchen snack drawers so that they stay organized for good. Ready? Let's get organizing. Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama. I'm a family organizing expert that helps you with using tips, tricks, and tutorials the entire family can do.
The best way to keep anything from sliding around in your drawers is to line them. So I am using the Duck brand EasyLiner, and with that I made sure that I measured the drawer that I am lining. Once I know the right size, I cut the liner to size and then place inside the drawer. Then you can put in any of your organizing bins or containers in order to keep your drawer organized. I always suggest that you store like items together. Now, you don't have to have all sorts of fancy bins in order to use drawer liner in your drawer effectively. The drawer liner helps keep the items from sliding around as soon as you pull open the drawer. So think of it that way when you're lining your drawers. Boxes of like snacky foods won't slide all over the place because they kind of have that grippy bottom on the drawer liner, which is why I think it is perfect for households with kids. I'm using OXO containers and I design Linus bins in order to keep our snack drawer organized. So now it's your turn. Get drawer liner and line your drawers. Then store all of your snacky foods together in bins or containers, or just leave the boxes, but you don't have to worry about things slipping and sliding all over your drawers.
Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.